Hi there, I hope you're doing great. I'm Ellen from the Charles and Ellen Academy, and I'm just here with a little update. Perhaps you saw the last video where I was still stitching on the contours, the Sashiko stitch contours of this architectural Sashiko art piece. And I gotta say, I'm falling in love with this piece stitch by stitch. Just getting into the flow of the Sashiko is incredible. And it's been so fun to actually work on an architectural piece. The more I add onto it, the almost it feels a little bit abstract, even if it's not necessarily abstract because it is clearly buildings. And I do think that it was definitely the right decision to do the contours before continuing to fill out the rooftops. So all of the tiles here that you see on the rooftops are with the Sashiko embroidery technique. Now, if you're completely new to Sashiko, got a full course on Introduction to Sashiko Embroidery, put it in the description below. Even this beauty here, if you are excited to try it out as well, it is now published, the Architectural Sashiko course. It's actually the result, in case you missed the last video, it's the result of creative experimentation and blending or fusing together traditional Sashiko embroidery with a modern twist, with an architectural design. I love history, love architecture, and I saw the repetitive patterns of the tiles on these rooftop scenes, and I just thought, well, each tile, it's like a stitch in the Sashiko, and what if I align those stitches? Anyway, I'm not gonna go all the way in there. In the first couple of lectures in the architectural Sashiko course shows you exactly in real time, moreover, from beginning, from the when the inspiration hit, how I got the design, how I decided on the whole setup, the process, everything, showing you the stitch process. Also, you're of course able to access this pattern as well. So it's a really, really cool kind of real time stitch experience of how an artist development experience of how your artistic style can or may develop, because it's one of the most common questions that Charles and I receive in the academy, the Charles and Ellen Academy, of just how do I know my style? What can I do? We even actually got a course on that too in the academy, of how to create your own style, or how to create your own embroidery patterns, how to create your own designs. And it's easier said than done, really, because it is most of the time a fusion of different inspirations, different sources that kind of together, as you're working on it, just create something that is new, different, something that feels like you. And well, I can say I'm definitely going to do some more of these rooftop scenes. It's not 100% finished yet. Still got a few of these small rooftops going on that I need to finish up. But I'll be doing that inside of the course only for the community. If you're not part yet, check it out below as well. And I'm still contemplating. I believe I'm going to take another couple of weeks to just let it calm down a little bit, the work. I like to do that whenever I'm not sure of how to finalize or how to mount it. I'm currently considering to do this as a pillow artwork. If it's not a thing, I definitely think it should be, because it's durable cotton, it's cotton floss that I've used all around. I've attached it, secured it with knots on the backside, so that's the modern twist of the Sashiko. It's not the traditional Sashiko ending, but I did so for the purpose of being able to wash this in the washing machine if I wish. I've got 2 small children at home, so if I want to have this as a pillow cover in my sofa, I need to know that I'm able to wash it afterwards. Another option I'm thinking about is to potentially put it as the front of a handbag. You just create an equal size patch of the fabric on the back as well, stitch them together. You've got 2 handles or 2 straps. You can also stretch it up onto a canvas, staple it on, and just keep it as a traditional artwork. Not sure yet what I'm going to do, but I'll of course keep you updated. But I'm just super duper thrilled. You may see that I've used some different, both variated floss as well as one colored floss, but all in all, just to create this natural, vivid tiles, because old tiles, they really have this, I don't know, it's like, how to express it, but it's just something about it that it feels so alive. You can really see that the tiles have lived a life, and I wanted to try to capture that as best as I could. So if this project inspires you, go ahead, give it a try. If it gives you excitement to actually give this particular one a try, and you want to check out and learn more about it, don't forget to check out the description below. Either join the Charlton Allen Academy, where you can access all of our courses in one place, or if you just want to try out one, well, maybe this one, the Architectural Sashiko course. So, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.